For this afternoon and tonight, a quick round of light snow is likely overnight into Tuesday morning. Accumulations around an inch are possible in south-central Minnesota, with snow expected to impact early portions of the Tuesday morning commute. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. A wind advisory is in effect for strong northwest winds with gusts of up to 50 miles per hour during the day Tuesday for much of central and southern Minnesota. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. The National Weather Service in Twin Cities, Chanhassen has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tuesday. Timing: strong northwest winds will develop early Tuesday morning and reach peak strength in the afternoon. Winds: sustained northwest winds in excess of 30 miles per hour with gusts of up to 50 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. These strong winds can be a hazard to high-profile or lightweight vehicles. Also, the strong winds can blow around loose objects, such as lawn furniture and garbage cans. A wind advisory means that wind gusts in excess of 45 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Repeating, a wind advisory has been issued from 6 a.m. Tuesday until 6 p.m. Tuesday for the following counties: in Minnesota, Carver, Dakota,